I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Subaru Crosstrek oil. First, park safely, lift the front with ramps or jack stands, and wear gloves. Drain oil into a clean pan, remove the old filter, and clean the flange area. Replace the drain plug and torque to spec, then install a new filter with a little fresh oil on the gasket. Fill with the correct oil, check level, and run the engine to check for leaks. Prepare your tools and parts before you begin to keep the job smooth and safe. Use a quality oil filter and the correct oil grade listed in your manual, typically 0W20 for many Crosstreks. A drain pan and proper socket make removal quick and clean. Replace the crush washer when needed, and use a torque wrench for the drain plug and filter to avoid over-tightening and to ensure proper sealing. Start by slightly warming the engine, then lift and support the car securely. Place the drain pan, remove the drain plug, and allow all oil to flow out fully. While oil drains, remove the old filter and prepare the new one with a smear of fresh oil on the gasket. Install new filter, reinsert and torque drain plug, add the specified amount of oil, check level, and inspect for leaks after a short run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.